Wenzangu wameongea Kiingereza sana, nitaomba niongee kwa lugha ya taifa na niseme asante sana kwa viongozi wenzangu ambao siku ya leo kama viongozi wa upinzani wa Jamhuri ya Kenya tumejitokeza tusimame bega kwa bega na familia za wale waliathirika katika maandamano ya tarehe 25 mwezi Juni mwaka wa 2024, wakipinga ushuru, wakipinga ufisadi, wakisema wanataka serikali inayoajibika na demokrasia yao. Tuwashukuru wale wote kwa heshima ya wazalendo walioaga siku hii ambao mumekaa nyumbani. Hiyo pia ni njia moja ya kutoa heshima kwa hawa wazalendo wenzetu walioaga. So staying at home is also one way of protesting, and we thank all those Kenyans who are at home today, who are peacefully and with their families remembering and honoring their heroes. That too is a very special way of honoring. In fact, you have made this day a public holiday against the wishes of this very government that killed your children. Okay. We thank also the officers who have barricaded this city. The city of Nairobi is completely barricaded. It shows a paranoid government that's afraid of its own people, afraid of its own children. But we are here also to say the constitutional right for people to protest is not dependent on the generosity of the state. And that is why we march today with the families who have come out. Amongst the families, we have the mother of Kennedy Onyango. This was the youngest victim of them all. He was only 12 years. He had almost 10 bullets in his body. The mother is here today. We are also with the mother of Rex Maasai and all the other families that we march with today. So we say thank you for coming out to stand in solidarity with the families and to march with the families. We are marching to Parliament to lay these wreaths in honor of the departed heroes. And we expect security and peaceful demonstrations today. Anything happening otherwise is state-sponsored goonism, and we are telling the IG of police, we shall hold you and the officers responsible. Thank you and God bless Kenya.
Just add one thing. Waziri Musika mwenyewe alisema walipatiwa notisi kikamilifu. Na pia kwa hafla hii tunaandamana pia na waathirika na vile vile familia zao na wenzetu wengine ambao wako hapa. Tuko pamoja as kama United Alternative Government. Our brother Rigiji is out there in Amonyoro, is with us. Our brother Fred Matiangi is with us. Our brother JB Muturi is also with us. In fact, for JB Muturi is watching closely because he is the chair of the Restorative Justice Commission, which is what we as a United People's Government put in place. Mama Kennedy